Hey friends, Dr. David Rice, and I want to talk to you about Luxatemp, why I use it, which I could do for hours, but for the sake of your time and mine, let's just talk about three things: strength, beauty, ease of handling.
Hi, my name is Kelly Bremmett, and I'm a dentist in Duluth, Georgia, and I'm talking here today with you about some products from DMG, Luxatemp in particular. And I want to share with you one of the ways that I use Luxatemp, not just for provisionals after I have prepped teeth, but also for case development and case acceptance conversations about projected treatment.
Hi, this is Dr. Jack Ringer here from Southern California, and I have a great tip for all of you dentists doing cosmetic dentistry. If you want to make beautiful direct chairside provisional, or what I like to call prototype restorations, I strongly recommend you use the product called Luxatemp by DMG.
I decided to make a provisional of both shades. So I made a provisional with Luxatemp Ultra A1, put that in her mouth, had her look at it, took photos, and then I made another example of a provisional with B1 Luxatemp provisional material, put that in her mouth, took photos, and let her look at that, and she chose to place A1 on as the provisional. Consider taking some extra time, utilize different shades, and to really decide what the patient's going to be happy with in that final shade. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jeff Lineberry. I'm a visiting faculty at the Pankey Institute as well as Spear Education. For a dentist that has been practicing for over 20 years and also an accredited member of the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, one of my go-to materials for my complex restorative cases is Luxatemp. Luxatemp is my material of choice for my provisional stage that sometimes can last months in my patients. And I found that the overall material is very durable, and the overall polishability and the color stability is excellent as well.